Today we're in Mackenzie Town, looking at this meticulously cared for townhome with a double attached garage, a fenced backyard, and all for an unbelievable price. This is 72 Prestwick Acres Lane Southeast, and you gotta check this one out. Here on the main floor, we have a ton of space. You walk up the steps into this large, beautiful living room, very inviting, and then leads over into the dining room area. Again, large and very practical, and then into this great kitchen. You've got a great view out the back, and again, large, practical space. There's also a half bath on the main floor as well, perfect for entertaining guests. And then you've got windows both on the west and the east side, so you get light throughout the day. I also love this fantastic flooring that they've updated on the main floor and then also on the stairs leading up into the bedrooms. The top level here is super dynamic. The laundry is downstairs along with the garage, so there's a ton of space up here. We've got this great office area and 3 bedrooms. And you can change any of the bedrooms into a workout area, den, an additional office space, whatever you need. This home is not gonna last. Right now we're seeing a ton of sales happening and not a lot of new listings. So be sure, give us a call and come check out this beautiful property. Again, we've got a ton of space, a double attached garage, a fenced backyard, and this location is absolutely ideal. We've got 130th Ave, super close, tons of shopping, tons of amenities. It's quiet here as well. So definitely please reach out to us, leave a comment, subscribe, share, and we'll look forward to seeing you in the next one.